Hey there, craving your favorite meal but want to pay later in installments? With Ggives, you can now enjoy flexible installment payments on Foodpanda using Gcash. Here's how to do it. First, open the Foodpanda app and add your favorite meals to your cart. Once you are ready, then proceed to checkout. Make sure your Gcash account is fully verified and eligible for Ggives before using this payment option. Then choose Gcash as your payment method. At the cashier or payment page, select Gcash as your payment option. Then log into your Gcash account when prompted. Ensure you have sufficient Gcash balance to cover the initial payments for Ggives installment. Once inside the Gcash app, tap Ggives as your preferred payment method. Tap See Installment Options to view available installment plans. Ggives allow you to split your Foodpanda bill into manageable monthly payments. Review the different installment plans available. Select the one that best fits your budget. Make sure to read and agree to the disclosure statement before proceeding. After selecting your preferred installment plan, tap Pay with Ggives to finalize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message from Gcash and Foodpanda. That's it, your order is now placed and you will be paying each installments. Enjoy your Foodpanda orders now and pay later with Ggives.